Are you a small business owner in the United States? Have you ever wondered how you can protect your business from unexpected risks? Well, look no further. In this step-by-step guide, we'll walk you through the process of getting small business insurance in the United States. So, let's dive in and ensure your business is safeguarded against potential setbacks. What insurance do I need for my small business? First things first, let's determine the insurance coverage your small business needs. Most small businesses require general liability insurance as a minimum. This coverage protects you if your business is held responsible for causing harm to a third party. But depending on your industry and specific needs, you may also require additional coverage types. Business Owner's Policy, BOP. A popular option for small business owners is a business owner's policy, also known as a BOP. This comprehensive package combines general liability insurance with commercial property insurance. It offers financial protection for your building and contents, as well as covers legal actions against your business by customers who believe they were harmed. Professional liability insurance. However, if you work as a freelancer or provide professional services, you might find that professional liability insurance better suits your needs. This type of coverage safeguards you against claims of negligence, errors, or omissions that may occur during the course of your work. It provides an extra layer of protection specific to your profession. Workers' compensation insurance. Additionally, if you have employees, it's crucial to understand your state's requirements regarding workers' compensation insurance. In many states, having this coverage is mandatory if you have a certain number of employees. Workers' compensation insurance ensures that your employees receive medical benefits and wage replacement if they suffer from work-related injuries or illnesses. What does small business insurance cover? Now that you have an idea of the types of insurance available, let's explore what small business insurance typically covers. A business owner's policy, for example, includes general liability insurance, commercial property insurance, and often, business interruption insurance. General liability insurance. General liability insurance is a fundamental coverage that protects your business if you're held liable for causing bodily injury or property damage to a third party. It covers legal expenses, medical costs, and potential settlements or judgments. Commercial property insurance. Commercial property insurance, on the other hand, safeguards your building, office space, equipment, and inventory from covered perils, such as fire, vandalism, or theft. In the event of damage or loss, this coverage helps with repairs or replacements. Business interruption insurance. Business interruption insurance is often included in a business owner's policy. It provides crucial income replacement if your business operations are temporarily halted due to a covered event, such as a fire or natural disaster. This coverage helps you stay afloat during the downtime and recover lost earnings. How to get small business insurance in the United States. Now that you understand the types of insurance and what they cover, let's walk through the process of obtaining small business insurance in the United States. Here's a step-by-step guide to get you started. Step 1. Assess your insurance needs. Begin by assessing your business's insurance needs. Consider factors such as the nature of your business, the size of your operations, the industry you're in, and any specific risks associated with your work. This evaluation will help you determine the appropriate coverage types and limits for your business. Step 2. Research insurance providers. Once you have a clear understanding of your insurance needs, it's time to research insurance providers. There are several national and regional insurance companies, as well as online brokers, that offer small business insurance. Look for providers that are reputable, financially stable, and have positive customer satisfaction ratings. Step 3. Compare coverage and pricing. Next, compare the coverage and pricing options offered by different insurance providers. Consider the specific features of their policies, such as claim limits, coverage exclusions, and any additional endorsements or riders they offer. Evaluate how well the coverage aligns with your business needs and ensure it provides adequate protection. Step 4. Check state availability. While conducting your research, make sure to check if the insurance providers are available in your state. Insurance regulations and requirements can vary from state to state, so it's important to choose a provider that operates in your area. Step 5. Obtain online quotes. Many insurance providers now offer the convenience of obtaining online quotes. Take advantage of this feature by visiting their websites and filling out the necessary information about your business. These online quotes can give you a preliminary estimate of the costs involved, allowing you to compare and make informed decisions. Step 6. Complete the application process. Once you have gathered quotes and narrowed down your options, it's time to complete the application process. This typically involves providing detailed information about your business, such as its structure, location, annual revenue, and number of employees. Be prepared to answer questions about your business operations and any past claims or incidents. Step 7. Review the policy. Before finalizing your small business insurance policy, thoroughly review the terms and conditions. Pay close attention to coverage limits, deductibles, and any exclusions that may apply. If there are any aspects you don't fully understand, don't hesitate to reach out to the insurance provider for clarification. Step 8. Purchase the insurance policy. Once you're satisfied with the policy details and have addressed any concerns, it's time to purchase the insurance policy. Make sure to carefully follow the instructions provided by the insurance provider to complete the purchase process. Keep copies of all relevant documents for your records. Congratulations! You've successfully navigated the process of obtaining small business insurance in the United States. By assessing your needs, researching providers, comparing coverage options, and completing the application process, you've taken important steps to protect your business from unexpected risks. Remember, small business insurance provides crucial financial protection and peace of mind. It's important to regularly review your coverage as your business grows and evolves. Stay informed about changes in insurance regulations and consult with insurance professionals to ensure you have the right coverage in place. Wishing you all the best in your entrepreneurial journey.